Motorcycles for beginners. The ultimate guide. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Honda CBR500R is a fantastic choice for beginners seeking a sporty yet approachable motorcycle. As part of Honda's renowned CBR lineup, this entry-level sport bike offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and style, making it an ideal option for new riders ready to dive into the world of motorcycling. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, the CBR500R is as enjoyable to ride as it is to admire. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda CBR500R is a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. This engine provides smooth, predictable power delivery that is neither overwhelming for beginners nor lacking for experienced riders. The linear power curve makes acceleration intuitive, while the 6-speed gearbox ensures precise and effortless gear changes. The bike's performance is well suited for various riding scenarios, from urban commutes to weekend highway adventures. The slipper/assist clutch reduces lever effort and prevents rear-wheel lockup during aggressive downshifting, adding an extra layer of confidence for new riders. Comfort and ergonomics. Unlike many sport bikes, the Honda CBR500R features a relatively relaxed riding position. Its clip-on handlebars are raised slightly higher, and the foot peg position is less aggressive, making it comfortable for longer rides while still offering a sporty feel. The seat height of 785 mm (30.9 inches) is accessible for most riders, allowing for a secure footing at stops. The bike's fairing and windscreen are designed to reduce wind resistance, providing better comfort during high-speed rides. Its suspension setup, featuring a 41 mm telescopic front fork and ProLink rear monoshock, ensures a smooth ride over varying road conditions, making it beginner-friendly without sacrificing stability or handling. Features and technology. The Honda CBR500R comes equipped with modern features that enhance its usability and safety. LED lighting, the full LED headlight, taillight, and turn signals ensure excellent visibility and add a premium touch to the bike's appearance. Digital display, the LCD instrument panel displays vital information, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip meters, in a clear and concise manner. ABS brakes, the dual-channel anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, provides added safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden or hard braking, especially on slippery surfaces. The verdict. The Honda CBR500R is an excellent motorcycle for beginners seeking a reliable, stylish, and versatile sport bike. Its manageable power, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced features make it an ideal choice for riders looking to build confidence while enjoying a spirited ride. Whether tackling city streets or taking on weekend adventures, the CBR500R offers a thrilling yet accessible entry point into the world of sport motorcycling.